Hi everyone, I am Vipin Sharma. I am here to teach you Python. If you are a college graduate and looking forward for exciting career opportunities in IT industry, or if you are experienced professional, want to learn a new programming language, or if you have your own idea and you are looking forward for a language to implement, well, Python is for you. Python is interpreted object oriented high level programming language. Python has come a long way since it was first released in 1991. Currently, Python is one of the most visited tags on Stack Overflow. Python is mainly used to boost the speed of software development process by providing an easy to learn and readable interface. Now, let's discuss how Python is used across various domains in industry. Python is used to develop a web application. If you want to write a scalable web application, then Django is the solution for you. Python is great for writing API and interacting with databases. Even Google, Instagram, and Quora uses Python libraries like TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, and Keras, widely used for data analysis and machine learning. How YouTube video recommendation works. I will suggest explore machine learning and deep learning. Python is highly compatible with cloud technologies like AWS, Microsoft, and Google Cloud. It is also used for big data processing using Apache, Spark, GUI application development. Well, you can do that as well using Python. And this is not it, the list goes on, and your imagination is the boundary. You want to be something exciting? Then start your journey with me only on Udemy.